The conversion from decimal to binary or to any other base-4 system is more convenient if the number is separated into an integer part and a fraction part, and the conversion of each part done separately. We convert this integer part with division and this fraction with multiplication. In this video, we will be mainly focused on the integer part. We have been asked to convert decimal 18 to binary. First, 18 will be divided by 2 to give an integer quotient of 9, a remainder of 0 or 0 by 2, and the coefficient will be taken from the numerator of this remainder, so it will be 0. This quotient is again divided by 2 to give a new quotient and a remainder. So when 9 is divided by 2, the integer quotient will be 4 plus 1 by 2, the coefficient will be 1. Again, this 4 gonna be divided by 2, integer quotient will be 2, the remainder will be 0 by 2, and the coefficient will be 0. 2 by 2, so the integer quotient will be 1, the remainder will be 0 by 2, and the coefficient will be 0. Now again dividing this 1 by 2, so the integer quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 1 by 2, and the coefficient will be 1. Writing it from bottom to top, 1 0 0 1 0. So this decimal 18 is equal to 1 0 0 1 0 and binary. This arithmetic process can be manipulated more conveniently as integer 18, and this whole column will be divided by 2 as we have to convert it into binary. So when 18 is divided by 2, I will get 9 and the remainder will be 0. Again, this 9 gonna be divided by 2, so the integer will be 4 and the remainder will be 1. Again dividing this 4 by 2, so the integer will be 2 and the remainder will be 0. Now again dividing this 2 by 2, I will get 1 and the remainder will be 0. Now 1 will be divided by 2, so the integer quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 1. Now writing it in that same pattern which gave us 1 0 0 1 0 and binary. We always take this from bottom to up. I have to tell you that the conversion from decimal integer to any base system is similar to the example I have done over here. Instead, that division is done by r instead of 2. Convert decimal 18 to base 4, and for that 18 gonna be divided by 4, and when 18 is divided by 4, integer quotient will be 4 and the remainder will be 2. Now again 4 will be divided by 4, so the integer quotient will be 1 and the remainder will be 0. 1 will be divided by 4, so the integer quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 1. Now writing it in this manner of bottom to top, so I will get 1 0 2 to base 4.